Food processing equipment poses unique sanitation challenges. Wet operating conditions and washdown requirements need specially designed equipment, such as the LEESON IP69 UL certified Extreme Duct Ultra stainless steel food safety motor. These motors don't have crevices where bacterial buildup can start. They're sealed so steam and water can't get into them during cleaning in place and other demanding washdown treatments. While other motor manufacturers say they're IP69, the Extreme Duct Ultra has been UL certified. This motor has undergone a challenging set of tests to ensure that it is designed against high pressure and temperature water and dust penetration. Following this rigorous testing procedure, the product is deemed as having successfully achieved the rating if it completely resists water ingress. Listening to our customers, Regal engineered major improvements to this motor. We've enhanced the shaft seal technology to handle installation in any orientation, including a welded conduit connection to the stainless steel body. And the motor now has an exclusive vacuum epoxy encapsulation system that ensures whatever is trying to get into the windings is effectively kept out. Where water, oil, cutting fluid, and other contaminants can find their way in, Regal has an answer to keep them out.